Hi, Willem. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. It's very cold.
Is it? That's good. I'm gonna show you some cold images today.
It's very cold today.
Yeah.
I just checked the temperature. It's like 10 degrees Celsius.
Okay. That's it's cold for Taiwan, isn't it? Yeah. Got a friend here. Hello. Okay. Yeah, today I have some new pictures for you. So, you started the old place. The big boy over there. Remember?
Oh, it's actually snow in there.
Yeah, not today. This was a few days ago, but this is shot from a drone. And you can see Jason over there. He's driving the drone over there, down there at our house.
You get a drone and the 360 camera on the drone?
Yeah. He has 3 drones. He's very much into drones. He had 4 before, but he sold one.
I think I have 2.
This is what it's like. And we should try to go a little higher to see what happens. Here we go. Also snow. I hope you're not scared of heights.
I remember this.
Do you?
Fly through this part. The
Google Earth?
simulator that
Google Earth VR?
Microsoft flight simulator.
Did you? Really? Did you fly here? That's amazing. Yeah? Oh. Yeah. In front of the forest, you see some big building, like a squarish building, like a square, grey. And to the left of that, here is a mine.
A mine.
Yeah, so the clay. So clay mine. So there's digging out all the clay because this is. But now we are actually on top of our house. You see the red car downstairs, right under us. That's our house. Yeah, and also you can see the mountains around the whole area. So that's why it's very hot here in Japan because there are mountains around. So it becomes like a cooking kettle in the summertime. So hottest city in Japan.